Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Yes. I am going to use two languages because Basoga understands English. Anybody who doesn't understand English here, please? Then you did not pray. On behalf of the Kyabazinga Gabula, I want to take this opportunity to thank the Lord that we are finally coming to Christmas. Another Christmas again. Can we clap for the Lord? As I came here today, Father, I was thinking, well, if I was asked to speak, what would I speak about? But first is to thank God for my own life. Yes, that is critical. That, I grew up in this church, this very same church, but in Chibubuka, with a lot of giggles on me. I don't know how I survived. And along the way, the Lord came to my rescue. My father had 10 children, very bright children. And at one time he failed to have school fees. So he decided to ride this bicycle to the back with his wife to meet Bishop Wilkes. And Bishop Wilkes gave him a test and said, give me the names of all the children you have. This man gave all his children, and in there he mentioned Veronica and Joseph. You know what happened then. Bishop Wilkes took me on and Veronica and educated both of us. Yeah? I recall, now all of us are doctors of philosophy in economics, both of us. Yeah? Another working for an international bank in this world, and I, the chief planner of this country, Katukiro. So I thought today I would share, thank God, that without this church, I would not be here. Definitely, I wouldn't be here. So Father, when I come here, I come home. I come home. I want to thank Father, this was spirit. It was top note. They don't mark you, but I was marking. It was so spiritual. Very clear. Very, very clear and very insightful. I want to thank Baba TV for giving us these 2 hours. It is very expensive, but for giving us the Catholic Church and a headquarters in Lubanga, in your diocese, this time, live on television for 2 hours, as we say that. And I want to tell you that I'm here on the demand of the Kyabazinga. I would have prayed in Chibubuka, but I was ordered to come to Lubanga by the Kyabazinga, so that I can pray to the entire Indian diocese. And today I also traveled with one of my best friends and brother-in-law, Mr. Kyabazinga. I also wedded in this church. Father Kawam wedded. Yes, the first product of that marriage is here. Is here. And you can see the attempts to look like me. Even the wife put on the suits. This is the impact of a parent. This is the impact of a parent. These children here today look up to us to give them example. Unfortunately, I don't see very many parents here. I am seeing more children than parents. And now that I'm your Katukiro, I tell you the way it is. It is not right that we don't lead our children to church. They will only become, like Father says, what we've done for them. Because anyway, it was God's plan that He created man and woman and told us to go and do what? Fill the what? And we have filled the earth. But Father, today I want to report to you, Basoga is in danger. Basoga is in danger. Because you who were given the right to fill the earth have abrogated your responsibility. And this is the message I am giving to every church, to every mosque, to every cultural leader, because I know those are the basis of it. How can you let your children of 12 years become pregnant? How can it be that in Basoga, as we celebrate our theme of the year, Pilgrim of Hope, abalamuzi abaki abasuubira osobola otya okusuubira ng'omwana w'emyaka 12 alifuna enda wayita mu kereziya oti abalamuzi abakola ki abasuubira nga muli kuleka abaana eka ab'emyaka 12 abakaali mu Sunday school batolamu. Basoga has no fruit. It is a day of celebrating, but I have told you some sad news, so that we can celebrate more and more Christmas. Father, I went to Kamuli the other day, and this is what I saw. I went to a maternity clinic. 400 women were taking medicine. Of those, 40 were below 16. And of those, 20 had HIV, the ones that are below 16. Who is going to deal with this? It is going to be us in the church. It is going to be who? It is going to be who? You know, Father, these people don't like bad news. But if we don't plan for our children, if we don't protect our children in Basoga, we have no future. My father had the humility to come and say, Bishop, because if he did not do that, I would not be what? I would be a very bright, because man at the door. Probably taking my argument this morning. But we parents must take our responsibility. I am begging the Catholic Church as we celebrate the theme of Pilgrim of Hope. There is no hope without quality children. Muzaala abaana bemusobola mutayikiriza babako batumuzaala aye muzaala abaana bemukola ki bemusobola abako batazaala mukyamu era abako batotole mwenda aba mukyamu tuzaala abaana bemukola ki balange mundire muzaala abaana bemukola ki oba osobola basatu zaala oba olina empiri yanganze ng'osobola abawera kubona kola ki bazaale kuba katonda yakuwa empiri eno kubita mulamba bikwenda okubeebaza olw'okusaba kuno. So Father, weebale nnyo weewalire irala nayenda okwebaza abetwaja noona yena natambula naye muvubuka omwo n'omukyalo oyo natambula naye n'abandi kuyimona banange mwebale kutegekana mugongo mwatufuula very proud Basoga. Tutera n'otwala omukisa kuno olwaleero okusaba kereziya esabire abaana baife sobe eri abaana baife abagwire mu bitwito. Madamu Sheriff abazaala ki Omusoga yaweebwa oba executive director ya Kampala. Kampala is the biggest city. Erifugirwa muki Musoga amuyirira nizenon amagaza kigeni nze omwana ze nabwe nasomesa ku buto wange yenda muki bw'ojja n'olingirira kifulana wensi ni Dr. Muvawala yenda muki Kagana anaza eri muyitibwa akutaba sente nebatakwikiriza kukola bikyamu wandibaire wano nga tuli kucelebratinga abantu bako sebona olukamisana kulengeye baboliwo ati olukamisala mukoyo bakasangaine webaleinoobalindala balange mujje mweyagale Christmas kuno abaana tubayize enkanga saa 12 kaali tutubayikiriza kujja mu busenta tuba mu busenta omubwire abaana bebatwalira ki amabunda oba tubateera TV waka dibe waka oba tubawaki bukolere ki waka abazaire busoma tuyireyo ku nono daifenkayo nzira mwana muwala kuza mu kibuga saawa 10 tuli kujja okwogera ne ba RDC bonabona tujja okwogera n'aba LC bonabona tujja wekati mwenda atuwulira bidakola ki bidakubasiba igumba abenimu ambendeza omwaka omulungi ndakwogeraku eri okusoga kwasa kuno olulala abasobola okumpuliriza Kyabazinga Gabula Nadiope nafunguwe sebo father webale ino bwoboizeeyo namukuza bishop Isasile Muluma. Please send my greetings to the bishop. I also married from Masha Cindy. So when I hear in Lightway, I know. So this is a product of the William College. So I thank you and thank you for the mass. May God bless you.